Yo, what's up guys? So, ayun dahil back to school na. At ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng back to school horror map. So, ayun, di na natin patagalin. Let's go. Ano to? History, Daniel you are Daniel, an elementary school teacher who was arrested on suspicious of the murder of Martin, a student of his class. Daniel will start investigating the murder on his town. Huh? You are Daniel, an elementary school arrested on suspicious of the student of his. I'm Daniel. I'm the teacher. And I got arrested. And Daniel investigate. What? Ano ba talaga? Hindi ko na gets. Whether sound playing on LAN mode so that AG does not stop. Play in LAN mode. Game does not stop. Go. Want to jump off, do not move in the cinematic. You can creative if there's a bug. But I'm creative, bro. Active LAN. Dami daw eh. But I'm creative, bro. Okay na yan. Wow. Paano ba to? Shift. Start searching. Wala, over. Sakit sa tayo nga nun, kagin lakas ng ball.
Yeah, we don't want to do anything to scare your children. That's the last thing we want to do. We don't want to scare anybody.
All back! Free! All back! Down to the ground!
One week later. Tape recorder releasing.
And those are all the past news stories for today. And to say goodbye, from the editorial office, we want to continue showing all our support to the family and friends of Martin Nova, the boy killed in the school of Ernesto Sorolla a week ago, which will continue to be closed the entirety of the month. In current news, research has come to an impasse due to recently released teacher arrested on the first week.
Saan ba yung school? Dito ba? Kailangan natin key. New notes. I have to find a way to get into the school. I'll try to move that container. Ito ba? Ayun. Mas interactive. Paano? May multo, shit. My god. Okay na ba? Parkour tayo. Hey, let's go. Okay. Ako pala yung teacher na pumatay, ganun. Mas. I'm a murderer. May aso ba? Ay, mabasa. The front door is closed. I'll try to get in the gym. Saan ba yung gym? Di ko nga to kabisado ang lugar na to. What the hell? We need to explore. Do not enter authorized person. But I'm the teacher, so I'm authorized. Hindi rin. I need to get to the gym. Gym bro, asan ba? Ay dito. Grabe, ba't kasi gabi ka pa pununta? Katakot. Naririnig ka pong footstep. On your right, the gym. Lock din naman. Paano papasok dyan? Bro, let me in bro. Oh. May post step ko ba yan? Natakot ako dun. Akin na pala. Kupal. Bro, let me in. Ha? Paano papasok? Nang kumakayat? Hindi. Basagin mo yan. Ayaw din. Ayun. Sabi na. Galing ko talaga. Ay, pala ko babasagin. I will break the glass with some stone brick. Where the hell I'm gonna get the stone brick, bro? Where the hell? What the hell? Baka dun sa ano ito. Ito. Angas. Harf, harf, harf. Harf, harf, harf. Saan na yung ano? Ha! 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 Oh! Tandahan ka naman, boss. Bossing. Dahan-dahan ka lang, bossing. You know. Katakot naman. I will go to my office to take the key to the 5th grade classroom. Oh, where's your office, bro? What the hell? Ayoko na. Paala ka dyan, huwag ka na mag-investigate. Ikaw. Uy! Mama. My goodness. Why I'm doing this? Bro. Ayoko na. Palabatin nyo na ako. Kulong na lang ako. Kulong nyo na lang ako. Please lang. Katakot. Uy, multo labas ng basketball tayo, ano. 3-point, yeah. Okay na, tama na. Let's be serious, bro. We're in the serious situation. So, boy. Blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Ang ganda ng school na to. Mas maganda pa to sa school namin. What the hell? Pwede ba kumuha ng pamalo? Oh my god, ano yan? Dalawang susi sa isang pintuan. What the hell? Grabe naman. Grabe naman katakot pati pagbukas ng pinto. Check corners. Gagi, di ka nagbabalorant, tangik. Saan ba yung ano mo? Hello? Gabi na po. Sarado na po yung ano. Grabe naman talaga. Laro lang ako ng Valorant, parang lumakas yung pandinig ko. What the hell? Saan nga daw? 5th grade. So saan na yung office ko? Like, no, dapat sinabi dito kung saan yung office. Bawal ba? Bawal. Primary classroom. Register ata to. Ito nata office. Ano yung kinatakot man ako doon. Gagi. Ba't ako natatakot? Wait lang, gagi. There is some here. I have to be careful. Oh, bro. Wait lang. Tagin ako sa puso. Gagi. Ganda na po ako dati. Alam ko hindi. Ba't ngayon parang naririnig ko na lahat? Dati hindi naman. Bro. Teachers room. Oh. Dun pala. Okay. Offices. Ba't ko ba tinacheck yung corners? Ano? Hanapin ko. The paper. Note. I left the key to the primary classroom in the caretakers. I'll remain at camp in a couple of weeks because of what happened at school. Director Alfonso. Okay po. Okay na ba? Doon na tayo. Gagi. Masakit tiyan ko doon ah. Sana. Ooh. Awesome. Saan ba doon ang pwesto ko? Dito ba? Ano bang hanapin ko? Di ba ano? I have to be careful. Di ba something like ano nga yun? Yung susi. Pero nasa ano daw eh. So wala dito. Ganun. Grabe naman. Parang anytime may lalabas na jump scare. Ay, ito. Hello Daniel, I have recently heard that you have been released. I'm sorry that they arrested you for being at the crime scene. Although I know that you are just wanted to help Martin, it has certainly been a difficult week. Today, we have met the teacher to decide what we'll do with you. For the moment, you will take a sick leave. We have also changed all the locks. I'm so sorry. Best regards, Direk Alfonso. So, sana ako? Bulaga. Damn, bro. Damn, right? Ay, naman. I will go to the caretaker house. Are you serious, bro? You serious about that? Di ba sabi sa ano yun? Primary classroom, yung caretaker's house. Ba't bawal dumaan? Paano na to? Di wag, hanap tayong ibang daan. If you can't go that way, find a way. Go away na lang kasi. Yun. What was that, bro? Wala naman dito ata. Importante. Ano? Wala nga. Katatut. Oh my god. Maba na tayo at maghanap. Di ba sabi primary andun? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's getting into my nerve, bro. Grabe ba? Saan ba kasi yun? Caretaker. Pero sabi nandun yung sa primary. So, kailangan ba natin lumabas? Oh, ayun na ata. Katakot naman yung footprint. Wait lang, naiihi ako sa takot. Okay na. Let's do this. Wala. Ay.
Hi, I'm the director here. I left the keys of the primary classrooms in the caretaker's house. I will not be coming in a couple of weeks because of what happened at school.
Okay. Sure, fine. Tapos. What was that, bro? Ba't ka tumatawa? Bakit tumatawa ako kanina? Tumatawa ka na. Now I can investigate in classroom number 5 where I can must. Where can you be? Torture, bro. You tutor there, and you're gonna be tortured there, bro. That's gonna be what. That's what's. Or sa second floor. O baka dun na talaga. Ay, wala dun. Kasi 5 daw. So, dito yung oh my god! Gulat naman. Ba't bigla bumukas yung ilaw? Parang Dito ba? Dito ba? It's recess time! Favorite subject to ng mga estudyante. Recess. Holy bro, paano na? Bawal ako dito. So saan ako? Saan ako patungo? Hindi ko na rinalang. Kailangan natin patayin. Tanga naman, may ilaw ka na doon, pre. Ba't mo pinatay? Ikaw papatayin ko eh. Tanga naman. Ano ba yan? May ilaw ka na doon. Ano ba? Ang tanga mo. Dapat pinatay mo na lang yung ano, bell eh. Ngot din eh. Takot. Ano ba yung classroom 5 ko ito? Grabe naman oh. Friend. Base. You know what? All that stuff. Pag ako to, uwi na lang ako. Oh my god. Someone has closed the door to access primary classroom. I'll try to access by the store. Nice. Nice one, bro. You're gonna be die right here. Access by the store. By what? Someone close the door. Access primary class. I try to access by the store. Ito ba? Hindi. Okay, hindi yan. So, let's Whoa! Who's that, bro? Oh my god. Hello, sir? Are you there? Are you here? Are you here everywhere? Oh my god, huwag ka na makipagtago-taguan sa akin, pre. I'm a serial killer, you know. So, don't be scared of me! Because I'm scared of you! Sibal. Oh my god. Bro, ang lalim naman ng basement niyo, bro. Grabe naman. Grabe naman paghuhukay ito. Paano kayo ma-access yung classroom? Unit mo lang naman ng susi. Ingot naman ng teacher na to. Hello. Are you there? Are you here? Eh! You know what? The first role in horror. Oh, kaya pala. Grabe naman, nakakatakot naman ang classroom to. Base door. So, where I gonna go? Ito ba? Ito na nga. Wala nang iba eh. Okay, class. Get ready with me. We're gonna start the lecture. Charing. Wow, di see-through yung nila. Classroom, angas. Ang lupet. Ang lupet. What happened, bro? Ba't mo ko iniwan? Grabe naman. OA. I don't know what has happened. The caretaker is dead. I need to find clue to solve Martin's murder and get out of here as soon as possible. Sayang. I'm gonna revenge for your death, bro. Don't worry. Kung sino ka man, lumabas ka dyan. May susi ako dito. Check corners. 3. Ito pala. Primary classroom. Elementary pa lang pala ito. Kawawa naman. Dito ba pinatay kan? Kawawa. Dito nga. Who's there? Who's there? Who's ever?
Fall back! Fall back!
Pinataka ako sa puno. Wow. Para ako si Sino yun? Kalimutan ko. So sana ako. Di ba room 5 nandun pa? Ba't wala na? Ito. Do not unlock. Here they found Martin. He had many wounds from a sharp weapon, and here was where I was arrested. I will go to class. Classroom number 5. Let's go to classroom number 5, bro. Di ba siya nagtaka dun sa caretaker na namatay? Baliwala ng teacher na to. No. Dapat talaga umuwi na lang kasi siya. Ano ba yan? Pinalaya naman siya dun eh. Like shit, bro. Okay, class. For today's lesson is mathematics. Okay, 1 plus 1. 2 po, ma'am. Charing. Ano to, trivia? Bro, it's not working, bro. What's happened, bro? What the hell? Ay, kumana. Parang tanga naman. So, ayun guys, I figure it out na. So, ganito lang pala. Sabi dun, there's no shot block with redstone block. Ay, bonacquit lang. Bonacquit. Control V. Ayan. Ano pala dito, no? Kalimutan ko. What the hellish? Yan. Oo, di ba? Tapos, babasahin natin to. Wala pa rin.
Have we discovered you, teacher?
What the?
It wasn't our intention.
What
Sorry
the?
about our euphoria, but when we saw you there getting close to the school, we told them keep calm. We are sorry about what we have done to Martin. I didn't want to fail. I didn't want to start the academic year again, so we couldn't tolerate it. But finally, we have been able to draw your attention about what happened to the Vigilant. As I said, we are way too happy. But today is a celebration day. Finally, our favorite teacher will be here with us. So you
What?
will be here forever. Yes, you.
Me?
Thanks,
Why me?
teacher, for being that kind with us.
No, thank you. Oh. Grabe naman. Maganda kahit medyo may ano sa huli. Saan bro? Daniel Egan. Thanks to Colors, Seraphica, Eric. Thanks for playing the map. Nice one, bro. So we're here forever na. Hindi pala ito yung classroom. So ayun, hope you enjoy the video. Kahit medyo naguluhan tayo dun sa huli. So yun na. Sana yun lang. Sana gustuhan niyo yung video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.